Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to enable regional pricing in Roblox. This will be an easy guide, so follow along. Just before we do begin with this video, please leave a like on this video if it helped, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Roblox Studio. On the top left corner, click File, Experience Settings, and click on Manage on Creator Hub on the bottom left. This will take you to a new page right over here. As you can see, you are currently on Creator Hub. Scroll down until you see monetizations. Click on it and click on passes. Now right over here, if you haven't created a passes, go ahead and create one. But once you're over here, you should be able to see your places right over here and open sales or pricing section from the menu. Check or uncheck the box from enable regional pricing or manage pricing. Click save changes to update. Basically, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of the day. Peace.